This is an update video about our previous video regarding a 1 billion Ganja token airdrop on our Sologenic DEX and wallet. Okay, now we're recording this video today, November 1, Wednesday at 9:36 a.m. Manila time. Now when I checked my Sologenic DEX and wallet, I have here a notification that I really received an airdrop of X amount of Ganja Laboratory token 6 hours ago. So for this one, if you're supporting the Ganja Laboratory token or the other cryptocurrencies on the Sologenic DEX and wallet built on the XRP ledger, please feel free to check your Solo DEX and wallet, because if you're able to set up the trust line for the Ganja Laboratory token and you have added your Ganja Laboratory token as an additional asset on your Sologenic DEX and wallet, you will definitely receive your Ganja Laboratory airdrop with the allocation of 1 billion Ganja tokens. Okay, now disclaimer statement for our Involve Asia and Crypto Sports channel: all the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purpose only. Any action that you take upon the information you find on our website, Involve Asia and Crypto Sports channel, is strictly at your own risk.